Ronaldinho Gaucho. His is a tale of a player that gave so much to the beautiful game, yet may well have been able to give so much more. From being heralded as the best footballer in the world at 25 to a 32-day stint in a Paraguayan prison, should Ronaldinho be held aloft for the pure artistry he brought to the game, or reviled for wasting one of football's greatest talents? Ronaldo de Assiss Moreira was born in 1980 in Porto Alegre, a city famous as the birthplace of churrasco. His older brother, Roberto de Assiss Moreira, nearly a decade his senior, was one of the hottest prospects at hometown club Gremio when little Ronaldo was just a boy. As part of the deal to keep Assis at Gremio, the club provided a home for the family in a safer, more affluent part of the city. However, tragedy struck when Ronaldinho was just 8 years old, when his father, Joao, passed away in the family's swimming pool. Assis quickly stepped into his father's shoes as the man of the house, assuming the role of young Ronaldo's brother, father, best friend, and eventually agent. But more about that relationship later.